yeah, I still have so much to do. Alright guys, today is the last official day of packing. We are going to spend the next 3 days loading and unloading vehicles, and I feel like there are still a million things to do. But with that being said, Josh and I have decided to go to the drive-in tonight. They are playing Beetlejuice and then Rocky Horror Picture Show, and I know, I have never seen either of them. Don't click off this video. I know that's like a big cult for people, but I've seen like 3 movies in my life, and 2 of them I don't even remember, so we're gonna go see that. I do have a bunch of stuff to do. I cleaned out the fridge this morning, so I have a bunch of dishes to do, but first I am going to run over, drop off laundry, come back and do the dishes. Then I'm gonna walk back over, swap the laundry, and head to the grocery store to get some snacks for tonight. Gotta get some popcorn, and then come back and hopefully get just a bunch more stuff done. A lot of it is loose ends, some random stuff in the freezer and stuff like that. Alright, so laundry, dishes, grocery store. Oh my goodness. I gotta get the rest of my car filled. It's mostly done. I'm gonna do that. In 3 days we'll be there. You guys, I know I've said this before, but I absolutely hate the laundromat. I don't know what it is. It's like the bane of my existence. I hate it so much. Okay, that's all. I had to get it out. Someone had to listen to me. I forgot that all of the Halloween candy is out, and it's just, decision. It's gonna make it so much harder. I want it all. You guys, I didn't know there were so many flavors of Smart Food. Look at this. Caramel and cinnamon apple. Flamin' hot white cheddar. Caramel. Sweet and salty. Sea salt. Movie theater. Regular white cheddar. How will I decide? You guys, this is the 10th kind of Smart Food that I've seen here. And what? Crunch berries? Does anyone else get like super extremely nervous that they're gonna like pick the wrong thing when there's a lot of options? I'm like, yeah, I know I'm gonna like all of these M&Ms, but what if I like the peanut butter one better? Alright guys, I am back. The laundry is done. Well, sort of. I still have to fold it all, but that part's done. We don't have to go back out. I thought I'd do just a little haul of what I ended up getting at the grocery store for tonight. And Josh just messaged me asking if I knew how to do the time warp. Like I said, I've never seen Rocky Horror Picture, so no, I don't know how to do that. But there may be dancing involved tonight, so I'm all about it. What did I end up doing? There were so many choices of popcorn. We're not going to go back to that because it's still blowing my mind. I spent like 40 minutes in the store just like oogling at the amount of candy and junk food that there is in stores now. But I ended up going with classic the movie theater butter. This is definitely something Josh will very much like. It's just classic, regular popcorn. Gotta have it when you watch movies. And then, because there were so many different flavors and so many different things, I was like, I gotta get something just to mix it up. So I got just a little bag of these because I want to try them. They're the Quaker cheddar rice crisps. I don't know, they look good. There was a bunch of different flavors. The sour cream and onion one looked bomb, but I don't think Josh would like it very much. It looks so good. I'm excited to try them. I'll let you guys know. Comment down below what is your favorite movie theater food to eat. Because Josh and I, it's definitely a mix of popcorn and Snickers. Oh my god, if you haven't, do it. Get on this. That being said, Snickers. It's a must-have for me. Got pretzels. I love these honey mustard ones. Honey mustard and onion. I also really like the buffalo ones. Honestly, Snyder's is just killing it with the pretzel game, and I really just felt like eating these. And this is all stuff that, because I know we're not going to eat all of this tonight at the theater or the drive-in, but it's stuff that I can just like keep in this bag and then just bring with us. I'll probably just be eating popcorn and pretzels for the next few days because we are just going to be ordering out and stuff, so we could just have snack food on hand. And then, last but not least, M&M's. I spent like 15 minutes in this aisle going peanut butter, fudge brownie, hazelnut, regular, peanut dark chocolate. I don't know. I ended up with the peanut butter ones. I love peanut butter. And so now we have Snickers, which is chocolate and peanuts, and we have M&M's, which are peanuts and chocolate. But I'm all about it, like I said. Whatever. That's all I got. Oh, plus a couple sodas that I put in the fridge to cool down, and I'll obviously grab like a water bottle as well, but I think that's going to be more than enough that we need. I grab this bowl, little bean, all our Maine, represent Maine. Yeah, I still have so much to do. Oh, gee, we're gonna go. Find out. Oh, maybe I should bring that tonight. Alright guys, so we didn't end up going to the drive-in last night. If Josh was going to get home in like just the perfect amount of time so that we could drive the hour out there and like just make it for the beginning of the movie, and then we found out that there was an accident on the highway, so we would be there late, and we just thought it would be a little more responsible to just spend the night in and keep packing and just stay out of, you know, public areas at this time in the world. But yeah, so we're starting to move our stuff today, and Josh still hasn't started packing, so I'm pretty sure that he's just bringing some of my stuff and going to just leave me there. It is full on fall in Maine right now. Oh my god, like I knew it was fall, like pumpkin spice is out, but I mean that stuff happens earlier every year, but like, yo, it's like fall up here. This will be the last time for a while driving back into Mass and calling it home. It's been fun. It's been real. It's the night, or last night, in this apartment, and Josh has decided to actually start packing things and moving things off the wall, so I no longer fear that he's going to drop me at the storage unit and leave me there. We've made progress. Oh, what? What?
I considered it.
You considered it? Uh-huh.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course.
Yeah, mm-hmm, yeah. Hi.
Babe.
Good. Get your boyfriend that can do puzzles and lift things for you.